Today we are discussing how to create the kickoff meeting minutes from the data lake through kickoff module. Now we are currently logged into the Chandigarh regional office and selected the kickoff module on data lake portal. On the module grid, user will select the project by clicking on action button. The UPC, project name, agreement date, and appointment date will be auto-populated. The user will then update the follow-up meeting to AD plus to months and select the actual meeting date. Now user will click on Attendees Detail button. The basic project details will be auto-populated. The user will need to update the fields for insurance policy verification, chaired by, venue, and BG details. Now user also update the attendees details by clicking on the Add button. The sample data of attendees has been updated as shown in screen. Then user will click on Submit button. Now user will click on Update Minutes of Meeting button. Now user will update the agenda, where user can check on the section of the respective agenda and update the discussed agendas of meeting. By clicking on the above tabs, user can change the agendas section. The detailed discussion in the previous meeting will be autofilled as shown in screen. User also having a facility to enlarge the text box, where the details of discussion in previous meeting is empty. That means the agenda is not discussed in last meeting. In the text box, user can update the discussed points of current meeting in respective agenda. After updating all the agendas, user will click on the Submit button. The pop-up will appear where user will click on OK to continue. Now user will click on Update Annexure, where user can update the details in different tabs. In this tab, details of land handover will be auto-populated in the table as shown. The details of gap can be updated in the hindrance details as shown on screen. After updating all the details in respective tabs, user will click on the Submit button. Now user will finally submit the minutes of meeting. System will generate the minutes of the meeting in prescribed format. Now user can download the system-generated minutes from meeting PDF section as shown in above screen. Now user can check system-generated PDF.